Muthenya wa rucio niguo wa muthia wa kuhakithia mbathi ciothe cia thukuru rangi wa ngoikoni. Ona kuri uguo thukuru nyingi kuma icigo cia Thika na Ruiru itiri irahingia watho uyu, arugamiriria mathukuru makiuga mihang'ono iri na goro muno. Christine Oluoch ora ne murutani munene wa thukuru-ini wa Emil akiuga ona gukorwo mihang'o iri na thogora wa iguru iri na mawega maingi muno makiria hindi iria ngaari ci iri barabara-ini.
We are fully compliant and we are beginning to, reap the benefits. On the roads, our drivers tell us that the other drivers are able to pave way for them.
Mwena-ini wao ene garage magitetera ni marauga arugamiriria mathukuru maretereire ihinda-ini ria muthia niguo gutwara ngaari ciao undu uria urehete muhatikano munene wa ngaari. Masekiari ni murugamiriri munene wa Thika Motor Dealers.
Wakati wa Easter tumeamua kama sisi kampuni ya Thika Motor Dealer tutaendelea kufanya kazi, sababu kuna wale wa mashule haijaweza kufunga, wengine wamefunga, lakini unajua hizi magari lazima zikuwe kwa garage ama zikuwe na compliance of the yellow.
So we had to extend the timelines and tell them they have to give us more time so that we could buy time as we processed the repairs of their vehicles.
Kuringana na uthuthuria uria wikitwo ni Kameme TV, thukuru nyingi kuma icigo cia Thika, Ruiru, Juja na Gatundu itiri iratiya watho uyu. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wanjiru wa Njuguna.